end of March. And the General Manager Rugby is part of a program that has been supported by World Rugby. World Rugby, that is a continuation of where they had picked up from last year in July. After a brief rest in our relationship, or brief break in our relationship, World Rugby is certainly and fully back on the ground here in Fiji, helping our development programs and also helping us prepare for the World Cup. Fiji Rugby last week called and had a Talanoa session with all our unions from around Fiji. The major point of discussion was the discussions about the need to revise our competition format. I think there was general agreement that the competition last year, if you were to take the point differences that was coming through, and also the spectator attendance as indicators was not an exciting program. So I'm pleased to confirm that the unions have agreed that come 2016 we will be reducing our Skipper Cup or major union teams down to 8. So we will be using this year as a qualifying year towards the date. This year, the bottom 4 from the current 12 will be going down to the telecom competition. And the telecom competition, formerly known as the B division competition, will now be run concurrently with the Skipper Cup. I think one of the issues that we picked up from is there is a gap in our big division competition, so we want to make sure that we are giving it its due attention. So from next year, or beginning this year, I'm sorry, there will be 3 pools in the telecom big division competition. One in the west, one in the Central Eastern division, and one up in the north. The whole purpose of that is to start to engage with all the teams, get them to start to compete on a weekly basis.